Are you looking for a nice, spacious home, but you don't really feel like climbing up those stairs? Well, stay tuned. I have the perfect house lined up. Welcome to the Austin City Brothers YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. If not, welcome back. Consider hitting that subscribe button as we do drop weekly videos to inform you about the best of Austin's real estate. And trust me, you do not want to miss on any of them. Today, I am in Pflugerville, Texas, which is a suburb northeast of Austin. Behind me, I have the Caporina floor plan by Felder Homes in the master plan community of Blackhawk, which is a top community in Pflugerville. And you can, by the way, check out the video right there. I'm excited to show it to you. We have 2,800 square feet of living space, 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and of course, the 3 full car garage. Are you excited? Because I am. Let's go take a look. All right, so as you guys can see, we have a combination of stone and stucco. And a really attention-grabbing entrance. That one is pretty unique. If you are thinking about relocating to the Austin and its suburbs, go down to our website below. That's where you can do a nice home search and then also schedule a one-on-one consultation with the Austin City Brothers. See, we have a nice upgraded door with glass. And let's check out the interior. Mentioned nice 12-foot ceilings throughout. Really big, spacious. I told you guys this home is spacious. This is the first bedroom in front of the home. It's just a really, really good size. And it does have its own bath. So it could serve as a in-law suite or a guest suite with a double vanity. The restroom and then also a full-on walk-in closet. It's a Jack and Jill style. It does not open up to another bedroom, but it does open up to the flex space. You can turn this into a game room, kids room, and even a formal dining. The call is yours. As you can see, it has a huge entrance for a nice double door. And then to this side is one of the bedrooms. That's where the mudroom and the laundry room is, and access to the garage. Good thing, this home also has an office. Good size for those of you who want to focus and get some work done and not be too away from your living room and kitchen. Look at that ceiling. Felder is a top builder, nationally known. But look at that kitchen. An entrance to the large-sized Texas patio. Let's have a peek. You excited to barbecue out there? Right. Check out the appliances, a little bit more in detail. Whirlpool, 5 burner, Stainless steel, one giant sink, double oven. Well, actually, it's a single oven with a microwave on top. Pantry. And look at the thickness of that siltstone. One more look, and then we can go to the other side of the home. Look at this angle of the entrance. I'm in love with that. To the left, this is our master. And over here we have one of the closets. We have his and hers, because that's number one. And this is number two, which is inside of the bathroom. With some built-in shelves. Nice. Here is a peek at the master bath. Standalone tub and a double head walk-in shower. Let us know what you think. What do you like about this home? What do you dislike about it? Colors are very, very neutral, mostly the white and gray. It's becoming very trendy. It is actually trendy, and people like it because they can decorate it with the color of their choice. Another full bath right next to the smaller bedroom. Honestly, if you guys have newborn babies and younger children and you don't want them to be too away from you, this could serve perfectly, and then you can put the teenager in the front in that big room. All right, so I think this is much it, and thank you for watching. Thank you for watching our video on the Caporina floor plan by Felder Homes. Hope you guys enjoyed it and got a good feeling about this home. If you are thinking about relocating to the Austin area and would like to have a conversation with me and Artemis, Austin City Brothers, here's our contact information. You can also go down to our website below to schedule your one-on-one consultation free of charge. Thank you again for watching. Let us know what you thought about it. Did you like it? Did you dislike it? And I'll see you in the next video.